In a world full of pressure, expectations, and comparisons, self-confidence has become a powerful key to success, both in personal life and career. But what exactly is self-confidence? Is it about being loud, extroverted, or always right? Not really. Let's break it down. This journey starts with you, with knowing yourself. And I mean really knowing yourself. Not just the shiny, polished version you show the world, but the real, raw, perfectly imperfect you. Take some time to reflect on your strengths and weaknesses. What are you naturally good at? What brings you joy? What are you passionate about? And equally important, what are your struggles? Where do you feel insecure? What makes you want to hide? Write these things down. Don't judge them, just acknowledge them. Because here's the thing. When we try to hide our vulnerabilities, we also hide our strengths. We dim our own light. But when we have the courage to be our authentic selves, to embrace our whole story, that's when true confidence begins to blossom. We all have that voice in our heads, the one that whispers doubts and fears, the one that tells us we're not good enough, smart enough, or brave enough. I call them our gremlins, and they can be relentless. But guess what? You don't have to believe everything you think. The next time your inner critic starts chattering, pay attention to what it's saying. Is it true? Is it helpful? Or is it just fear talking? Challenge those negative thoughts, reframe them. Instead of saying, I'm going to mess this up, try saying, I'm prepared, and I'm going to do my best. Remember, your thoughts have power. Choose to focus on the positive, on your strengths, on your ability to learn and grow. Confidence is built one step at a time. It's about setting small, achievable goals and celebrating each victory along the way. Don't try to overhaul your whole life overnight. Start with something manageable. Maybe it's finishing that book you've been meaning to read, or waking up 30 minutes earlier each morning, or committing to learning a new skill for 10 minutes a day. Every time you achieve a goal, no matter how small, your brain releases a surge of dopamine, that feel-good hormone. And that feeling of accomplishment fuels your confidence, reminding you that you are capable of achieving great things. Here's the thing about growth. It rarely happens within the confines of our comfort zones. Real, lasting confidence comes from pushing past our perceived limitations, from daring to do things that scare us a little. Think about something you've always wanted to do but haven't felt brave enough to try. Maybe it's speaking up more in meetings, joining a new group or class, or taking on a challenging project at work. Yes, it will be uncomfortable. Your heart might race, your palms might sweat, and that inner critic might start shouting, but that's okay. Lean into the discomfort, embrace the uncertainty. Because on the other side of fear lies incredible growth and a deep sense of self-belief. You've heard the saying, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with? Well, it's true. The people we surround ourselves with have a profound impact on our thoughts, feelings, and beliefs. Make a conscious effort to cultivate relationships with people who lift you up, who encourage you, who believe in your potential, even when you doubt yourself. Seek out those who celebrate your victories and offer compassion and support during challenging times. And just as importantly, create some distance between yourself and those who consistently bring you down. You don't need that kind of negativity in your life. Remember, you are worthy of love and belonging, just as you are. Choose to spend your time with people who recognize and appreciate your worth. We often underestimate the connection between our physical and mental well-being and our levels of self-confidence. But the truth is, they are inextricably linked. When we take care of our bodies, when we nourish ourselves with healthy food, prioritize sleep, move our bodies regularly, and manage stress, we create a strong foundation for confidence to flourish. Think about it. When you're exhausted, stressed, and running on empty, how confident do you feel? Not very. But when you're well-rested, energized, and taking care of your physical and mental health, you're much more likely to show up in the world with confidence and resilience. Here's a secret. Confident people fail. They fail a lot. The difference is, they don't let failure define them. They see it as a necessary part of the journey, an opportunity to learn and grow. So the next time you stumble, and you will, try to approach it with curiosity rather than self-criticism. What can you learn from this experience? How can you use it to move forward with greater wisdom and resilience? Remember, you don't have to be perfect to be confident. You just have to be willing to embrace the messy, imperfect, beautiful journey of life with an open heart and a willingness to learn and grow. Self-confidence isn't something you're born with, it's something you build. Like a muscle, the more you work on it, the stronger it gets. Start small, stay consistent, and be kind to yourself in the process. You are capable, you are worthy, and you don't have to wait until you have it all together to believe in yourself. You can start right now, just as you are. So stand tall, take that first step, and watch your confidence rise. You've got this.